Hey everyone, welcome. Welcome to day number 23 of the 30-day meditation journey. I am so glad that you are here and that you have dedicated yourself to this meditation, creating a foundation for your meditation practice at home. And even if you missed a couple of days, don't worry about it. Just get back on track again and keep moving forward because you are building that habit for yourself. Also, if you are just joining us, then please go back to day number 1 for the introduction. Also, if you would like to take a deep dive into self love or into more meditation, then go to the link below in the description box. And I have a couple of workshops that are pre recorded that you have unlimited access to. So take a look at that. And today's meditation is Ho'oponopono, which is a Hawaiian technique. And essentially, what it is you basically, it's about forgiveness of yourself and of others. So, the statement that we are going to use throughout this meditation, and you can say it out loud or you can say it in your head, is I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And we're going to say that over and over and over again. And you just do it at your own pace. If you mix up the words or the order, that's okay. But also make sure that you feel it right in your heart. And if you're having a hard time at first, that's okay. Just continue with it, and focus on the intention of feeling that forgiveness for yourself, for others. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can lie down or you can sit up. Just make sure you're comfortable. Make sure the temperature in the room is not too hot, not too cold. Make sure that you are wearing comfortable clothing for a successful meditation. So get comfy, and when you are ready, close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale. And take another deep breath in through your nose. And exhale. And with every inhale and exhale, just relax your body even further. Allowing that breath to nourish your body on the inhale. And on the exhale, just releasing. Releasing your day, releasing the week. Just intend to release whatever is holding you back or limiting you, anything that you have been carrying for too long. Just allow your body to relax, your mind to relax, any emotions. Just allow them to be released. And continue to breathe. And if anything comes up for you, any thoughts, maybe irritations, things that you've been focused on, just breathe into them. Breathe into them. Just release. Relaxing your muscles, relaxing your mind, relaxing the organs in your body. With every breath, just release. And now we will begin Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Bring yourself into the heart center, the spiritual heart. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just continue with these words right from the center of your heart. This forgiveness is for yourself, and then extend it to others. If there is someone specific, please keep them in mind as you say these words and feel the forgiveness in your heart center, the love in your heart center. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just continue. Continue to breathe, allowing that breath to flow. Releasing any resistance. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just allow your heart to open naturally. Begin to feel that love within your heart, that forgiveness. Allowing that to begin to flow, but don't limit it and don't push too hard. Just allow. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Continue to breathe. Now put a hand over your heart center, over the heart chakra. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now bring your awareness back into the room, back into your body, back into the space. And begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, taking your time. And when you are ready, rub your hands together and place them over your eyes and open your eyes. And then remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.